Madam, are you renting or you own a house? Relieve me of a lot of my financial problems. Why am I hiding my boyfriend? Hi guys, today's video we're going to be getting this look. We're going to be doing a get ready with me, a chit chat get ready with me. I'm going to be trying makeup products that TikTok made me buy. And we talked about some very controversial topics, spicy gists. Make sure you're sticking and staying. Before we get into the video, hello everyone. If you're planning your study abroad adventure, you know finding the right place to live is very important. But guess what? Like always, I come with the solutions. Okay, I've got the perfect solution for you. Launched back in 2019, Uni.co isn't just an accommodation platform. It's a global leader in student housing world, offering a mind-blowing 1.5 million beds in 10 countries. Whether you're looking for something cozy or something chic, Uni.co has got over 10,000 properties that you can choose from. And here's the best part, okay? It's super affordable. Now listen up. Uni.co isn't just a massive selection of accommodation. Their amazing policies like no university, no pay, and no deposit make it a total game changer. And guess what? All the services they offer to you are absolutely free. With Uni.co, you're not just finding a place to sleep, you're racking up cashbacks like Amazon vouchers and referrals where you get £100 for every successful referral you make. Currently, if you're looking for properties in Coventry, then Uni.co has a special offer for you. Book properties like the Corporate Village and Millennium View and get 1 month free rent. Where was this when I needed to find an accommodation in the UK? Just click the link below in my description box and let Uni.co make your study abroad adventure unforgettable. Don't forget to tell them Stephanienadia sent you. Mention my name, okay? I've been away for some time off of YouTube, but the TikTok girlies know that I've been on TikTok. We're gonna talk about everything that's been happening. So get your tea, get your wine, get your juice, anything, okay? So the first thing that I'm going to use on my face that TikTok made me buy is this. It's the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. When something starts going viral on TikTok, the way the algorithm will chase you with it, and I was like, let me try it out. I don't think it works for me unless the product combination I'm using it with aren't exactly compatible, because I don't see a difference in my makeup when I use this primer. Maybe it doesn't work for me because I don't be doing full beat. Do I be doing full beat? I'm sure someone is like, hey, so the makeup you do is not called full beat. This is a trick they do. Anytime you put it on, this is how you know it's ready. You have to stick it to your face, and when it sticks, it means it's ready, okay? Don't blame me, blame TikTok. First of all, I've been AWOL because of my dissertation, but not AWOL on every other social media. I decided to start taking TikTok seriously. I don't know why, but Pamela has always been telling me, Nadia, you need to post more on TikTok. You need to post more on TikTok. The next thing that TikTok made me buy is e.l.f. the Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I don't like this one as well. There's some things in here that I like, but this one, I don't like it as well. I think it's too glowy for me. I tried to use very little of it, just in the dark spots of my face. So I decided to take TikTok seriously because it's easier to edit TikTok videos. It takes a shorter time. It's not as like hectic as YouTube. So I decided to try it out, right? Tell me why I gained 11,000 followers in just 2 weeks. And those are videos I didn't expect to blow up. You know the video that I posted about apps you need as an international student in the UK? It's at 1K on my YouTube channel right now. I decided to post it on TikTok and then edited it into a shorter form content and posted it on TikTok. Tell me why the video is almost 700,000 views, and that video is what blew me up, and now I have over 12,000 subscribers. Followers. The minute the numbers started showing on TikTok, it became like addictive. Like I had to post to keep up the numbers, because on TikTok it's not like YouTube. On TikTok, if you don't post as often, people start unfollowing you. And I was like, wait, maybe I was putting too much energy into just YouTube, because Instagram doesn't really resonate with me, because I think Instagram is too shepe. Instagram is shepe for me. Okay, TikTok, I feel you can be yourself, you can be your, but there's a bad side to TikTok, okay? The audacity of the people on TikTok is different. Okay, I thought I used to get hate comments on YouTube. TikTok is like they sell Audacity, or Audacity is on sale on TikTok shop, okay? People in your comments, no respect. Don't tell them I said that, but the people that follow me on TikTok are also very amazing. The reason why I'm saying this is because I posted a video of I went on a date with my boyfriend. I posted it here as a short as well. I posted it on TikTok, and tell me why someone in the comments came to comment, get your passport, baby, get that passport. Like, I thought people on YouTube sometimes do too much, but TikTok, they have the accolades, okay? They have the cap is for them. The audacity of someone to write that under my comments. And obviously my partner is going to see that. He probably doesn't care about those things, but I hadn't even seen it, and then he talked about it, that it doesn't bother him. But the person writing it, don't they think that when the boyfriend see it, it's gonna make them start thinking stuff? I was like, by fire, by fire. I break, I bound, I lose, I destroy you. Just kidding, because I know that I don't have to stress over that. Like, because you post stuff on the internet, they can just say whatever they wanted, because if you didn't want us to talk about it, why did you come and put it on the internet? Like, you guys have my heart, okay? The growth is slower here, but you guys still have my heart, because YouTube is my baby. YouTube is what YouTube has got me, okay? YouTube pays me monthly. TikTok doesn't, okay? TikTok doesn't yet. I'm never going to abandon you guys. I feel because YouTube is longer form content, it's kind of harder to upload videos and edit them. It doesn't take long at all. Is this e.l.f. Camel Concealer Satin Finish. Tell me why Pamela bought a new hair and the hair costed 7,500. So she kind of mentioned it in a voiceover on TikTok, this same TikTok, and like she was going to install the hair, so she was like, install this hair I got for blah blah blah. I might put the link to the TikTok in the comment section, but like in the description. People went off in her comment section, like people were legit angry. Why would you take 7,500? I mean, that's a lot. Be able to think you have the right to tell someone how to use their money. That's my problem. That's the only problem. And it's not like they are nice about it. Madam, are you renting or you own a house? Because this money, the way we laughed, when they start enjoying your content, no matter what you post, they're going to like watch it and enjoy it. But obviously, because it's the beginning of the content creation there, I'm trying to like do a lot of different things. I did a video on hair and it did quite well. I think that was why the wig company reached out to me. Working on 16 hours a week, a month in the UK, it's not enough to be buying any hair you want at all. Okay, so the next topic is engaged. So I'm going to use this opportunity to address this. When you guys see me wearing the other ring and this one in my videos, I feel like the OG people that follow me for a while know that it's not an engagement ring. I only wear it on these two fingers because it only fits here, because my dumbass only gave them a size 4, and my size 4 is this finger or this finger, and this finger is married, so I put it in the middle finger. And then I just got this one is a size 5, so it will probably fit on the index, but the right index is too big, so it wouldn't fit there. Me that likes money like this, the minute I'm engaged, story time, how I got engaged, my hand will be like this, because I want to make, it's not because I want to make money, I'm just joking when I say that, you guys know that, right? But I do want to make money, but that's not the main reason why I do YouTube. It's a motivation, obviously, to have it relieve me of a lot of my financial problems. But the minute I'm engaged, do you think I'll not do content out of it? Me, I will do content out of it. What have you guys been up to? What kind of videos would you want to see from me? And please free me with the how did you and your boyfriend meet. When I film one, I'll film how we met with him here, but I think some of you have already guessed it, because when I was going through that phase, I was updating you guys on how it was going, but then I want to make it dramatic, so I'll do a how did you and your boyfriend meet. But I'm sure most of you, can you guess it? Okay, guess it and tell me in the comment section below. If you're able to tell me, I'll do that. I'll do the video, okay, about the first impression and how the first date went and everything. I want to do videos that you people enjoy. I talk myself out of a lot of videos. Like, I have a whole notes on my phone that has so many video ideas, but I've talked myself out of filming them so many times because I'm thinking you guys might not enjoy it, you guys might not watch it, and I'm going to stress to edit it, waste so much time, and it wouldn't even get that much traction. But I think that's what content creation is about. I should just film it, but it will be very good to also know what kind of content you like. I know you like the vlog, so I'll keep them coming. I have another vlog that might go up before this one or after this one. I'm yet to film it tomorrow. It's going to be my 4 morning routine. I'm sure it's already up. If it's already up, I'll link it here so you guys can check it out. So to set my under eye, I'll go in with this first to set it, and then I'll use the pressed powder to kind of like set the setting, right? So this is another thing that TikTok made me buy, is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless. The black girls on TikTok will choke you with this product. So today I'm going to do something I've not done in a while, because I was supposed to do my brow but I forgot to do it. So I'm going to set my under eye. One of you texted me on, is it Instagram, to ask me that why am I hiding my boyfriend, and I didn't even know it came across like that, because I felt I was showing his hands, I was showing that I'm with him, and I don't plan to hide him. I'm just not ready to like bring him on YouTube yet. Does that sound right, or it sounds bad? But then before I go more into that, I'm going to use my NYX brow glue. If you've not seen this one, I'm sure you don't use TikTok, okay? Because this one, they don't let us sleep on that TikTok. They don't give us gaba at all. If I wanted to hide him, I'll literally not vlog when I'm with him at all, because nobody holds my neck to vlog. I vlog because I want to vlog. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. I feel the internet is a place where if you bring something on here, you cannot take it off again, okay? So imagine every YouTuber shows everybody they enter a talking stage with. Wouldn't our vlogs turn into like reality TV shows? I know this is different, like this is my relationship. I want you guys to get it from like a YouTuber's point of view. Like, it's not like you're not sure this relationship is going to last, but when you put something on the internet, that's when people start to like feel they have the audacity to talk about it, audacity to give you advice on it, because all of a sudden people are relationship coaches, and then people say nasty things that when a relationship is fresh, those nasty things, I feel you shouldn't put your relationship to when a relationship is fresh, right? It's just people's personal preferences. You know, when a relationship is in its very early stages, every little thing could end up being big. It's like a baby being prone to sickness and everything. So you want to just keep that space sacred before you like bring it out, so that everybody can just talk about it, and at that point you have grown and gotten used to each other, and you know each other's hearts. So there's nothing that you could see on the internet that will make you start thinking twice. The next product that TikTok made me buy is this L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation Powder. I don't think it's dark enough for me though. I've tried it. I don't think it's dark enough for me, but for this purpose you have to make it work. So I just use it to bronze up my face, and it's too close to my skin shade to be a bronzer, but it works for now. I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me to brighten my under eye again. Before I line my lips, I'm going to go in with the NYX brow glue. I used to use this before drawing my brows. I realized it messes up with how the pencil glides over my skin, so now I just use it after to make the hair stand, I think, so it'll give it the hairy look. Yeah, and it does it quite good. You see that overlining of lips that the TikTok girlies do? It doesn't work for me. God naturally lined my lips before my mommy gave birth to me, hair. So when I do that thing, it doesn't come out nice, so I don't do it anymore. The last but one thing I got from TikTok shop is this mascara. I'm going to use it for my lower line. Nobody made me buy it, but I did see it on TikTok after I bought it. Alright guys, this brings me to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed our little chit chat session. Don't forget to put it in the comment section if there's any video you want me to do. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and thank you for the support to this point. I'll see you guys. Bye.